Hello. So we have the shipping costs per unit from the 3 counties to the 6 counties. Each of these counties, these ones, needs the respective units to be supplied by these 3 counties. So we want to determine the number of units to be supplied by each of these ones to each of these ones. So the units will be I've highlighted this part. So we'll try to play around with the units here such that number one, the sum of the units, like for Denver, should be 150. The sum of units for the Houston should be like here should be 225 up to Detroit. So here we'll reflect that is a formula for the totals. So we wanted the totals, these ones, to be the same as this one. Why? Because the question says there is a part of the section which says for each of the 6 counties, the total number of units needed should be equal to the total number of units shipped. Okay, let's have a look at this one. What is the total sum of what's the sum of the inventory? It is 1250. And what is the total number of units? What is the total number of units needed by the 6 counties? It's 10, 20. So there is more inventory than what is needed. And therefore, it means these 3 counties may not or should not supply all of their inventories. Okay, because the demand or the supply should not exceed the demand. Now, so we want to minimize the cost. We want to minimize the cost such that if you multiply this one and this one, okay, the number of units we will expect, we do for all of these ones. Multiply each one of these by each one of these. We want and then sum all of it. That's what we want to minimize. And how will we do that? There are so many ways we can do. One, we do this one, like we say the cost per unit times the number of units that will be supplied, which is here. Yeah, this one times this one will be here. The same thing here. This one times this one. Okay. You do for all of these ones. Okay. After that, now sum all of this one, the total cost, and that I have called it C is equals to sum product I in product in row I column J. For example, here times cost of ith unit from jth county. Okay, this one. So you multiply this one and this one and sum all of them. That's the objective. So to minimize that cost. Now the constraints here will be one, the unit to be supplied Okay, the total units to be supplied should be equal to this one. Okay, and the second constraint is that the total number of units, okay, to be supplied by the three counties should not exceed the inventory. That means the inventory should not be negative. So this one should not exceed the inventory. Okay, those are our constraints. Yep. So we go to solver. Let me set all. And then okay. So we reduce this so that we can duplicate it. So solver. Okay, so our objective now is this one. Okay, and we want to minimize by changing which variables? By changing these variables. Okay. Okay, the constraints come here and say whatever to be supplied should be equal to whatever is needed. Okay, add. Okay, I've selected word. Let me repeat. So whatever you supply should be equal to what I need, what the three counties, I mean the 6 counties need. Okay, another one. Use the total units supplied by the 3 counties should be less than. Okay, so to activate the other side. The total number of units supplied by the 3 counties should be less than or equal to their. The reason why we are doing this is that we don't want the 3 counties to have a negative inventory. Okay, so you should not supply more than what you have. Okay, and then those are the 2 constraints. Yeah. Okay, and then it's minimization, and then okay. Okay. Okay, so yeah, we have this value. I think this is 0. This is too small. Yeah, so you will place 0. Suppose it's too small. Now, you see, it means Angels should supply 150 units to Denver, and that's actually what Denver needs. Okay, meaning St. Louis will supply 0 units. This one, let's make 250. Yeah, this will be the output. Also, this one is too small. It's almost 0. Yep. So 150 is equals to what they need, and actually that's what they wanted. 225, 125, 250, 120, 150. Yeah, that's it. So in total, Angels will supply 270, which is less than 400. And it means it will remain with some units in the inventory. If you sum this one, okay, if you sum this one, what was actually supplied? So let's try to sum. it should be equal to what was needed. That's it. That's the waste minimization. Thank you.